Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can change your phone number on Fanduel. Now it's really easy and simple. So if you're using, for example, a new phone, or you're logging into your account online, or you're doing this for the first time on a new device, then you'll be unable to basically get your SMS text verification message, okay? So what you're going to do here, guys, is basically click this option right here under Lost Phone. So where it tells you if you don't have your phone with you or you're having trouble with the authentication code, you want to contact the support team. Just click on this option right here, and then what's going to happen is the support team will reach out to you. You can start a live chat with them, connect with a live agent, or you can also text them here. Okay, so for example, I clicked on live chat and it will start a live chat with this person. So you enter your first name, your last name, your associated email address with your FanDuel account, and your subject. Okay, then guys, what you're gonna do, once you confirm your details with the agent, they'll actually be able to assist you to change the number on your account to your new phone. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, to get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.